Welcome to this guide on how to activate your Edrolo account. First, you will need your school's unique 6-digit activation code. If you don't have this code, your school or the Edrolo customer care team will be able to provide it. To begin, open your web browser and go to edrolo.com.au/activate. Then, enter your school's 6-digit activation code and click Verify Code. Then, enter your last name and click Next. Now it's time to create your online Edrolo account. Enter in your school email address and then create a secure password. When you have completed all fields, click Create Account. An activation link will immediately be sent to the email address you've just provided. Open that email and click on the activation link to confirm your account. Congratulations! You have now just created and activated your Edrolo account. To sign in to Edrolo, simply use your email address and password that you have just created. You will find all of your subjects in your account ready for you to dive in.